your relational fire process. We've arrived at the relational fires stage of your personal strategic planning process. By now, you're an expert at this, right? You began this process by proactively lighting and tending your spiritual fire with a personal definition strategy. You continued that process by lighting and tending your external fire with a social contribution strategy. Now it's time to draw a smaller circle and focus on the people who are with you on a daily or near daily basis. It's time to define how you want your relationships with these family members, friends, and fellows to be, and to start doing what you can to make them so. Before getting started on the relational fire component of your personal strategic planning process, recall that the entire FIRES system looks like this. Financial. You want and need professional financial security and success. Internal. You want and need a holistically healthy day-to-day existence. Relational. You want and need good relationships with friends and family. External. You want and need to make social or community contributions. Spiritual. You want and need, above all else, to live out your core values. The entire FIRES process is like taking the biggest picture perspective possible and then gradually narrowing your focus. Hence, you moved from defining your core values and deepest beliefs to determining how to live them out on a larger social scale. And now, you're going to figure out how to express those same core values in a more intimate, day-to-day way. In other words, it's time to focus on your nearest and dearest. The work you will do for the remainder of this chapter and video series will culminate in the creation of a relationship development strategy. Once again, this section, your relational fire process, is stylized in workbook form so that you can use its pages to record your thoughts and create your relationship development strategy. If you find the spaces allotted aren't large enough for your notes, please use whatever makes you feel comfortable and stay organized. Let's do this.